Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to my channel. It's summertime and time for cool drinks, ice creams, air coolers and air conditioners, right? So in today's video I will be unboxing and doing a review of this air cooler from Symphony. The model is Diet 3D55i Plus. Before I unbox the air cooler, let me just tell you what's written on the package. So it has a pop-up panel and 3 side cooling pads, and the air throw is very powerful, which has auto swing functionality also, and the tank capacity is large. It's actually 55 liters. It is sufficient for rooms up to 57 cubic meters. It uses IPO technology for filtering the air. There's a fully functional remote and there's a 7 hours timer also, and you also get an alarm when the water tank is empty. So it uses natural cooling and the evaporation method to cool the air. So this is a tower model and this is how it looks. I will be unboxing it in a moment. So when it is unboxed, this is how it looks. It's a sleek and slim tower model which looks very beautiful in your home. It's very useful for small spaces like small rooms, small offices and small stores, etc. So this is not an air conditioner, and this has to be placed near an open window, which is a must, and also make sure that the door of the room is open, otherwise the humidity will go very high. Let's take a quick look at the specifications. The weight of the cooler is approximately 12 kg, the height is around 1.4 meters, the length and breadth are around 40 centimeters, and the power rating is 145 watts. The only assembled parts are these legs, which come along with the wheels, and they also provide the screws. This is how it looks once the wheels are fixed. And this is how easily it can be moved. They're very nice, the wheels, and very smooth. So this is how the air cooler looks. Cute, isn't it? I like the color combination, black and white. So the front portion is black and the other 3 sides are white color. Now just let us take a look at all the sides. The bottom half is the water tank and the top portion is where the air will flow out. So these are the vertical blades and the horizontal blades through which the air flows. Now let's see the opening for the water tank. So this is the small door through which you will be pouring water. You can also add ice to the water from the same place. Water is pumped up to the cooling pads through this blue pipe. Now let's take a look at the other side of the air cooler. This is the remote that is placed here. They have provided a magnetic remote holder here so that you won't misplace it. All the functions of the power panel are also available in the remote. I will demonstrate these features very soon. And this is the back side of the air cooler. The power cord is neatly placed here. You have the cooling pads here. So this is the overall look of the cooler, and now let's see this pop-up panel. So this is on the top of the air cooler. So I will be demonstrating very soon. So that's how it looks overall. Now let's pour a little water into the water tank. I'm just pouring a little water now. So you can also add some ice if you want a little more cooler air. and you can enjoy much more cooler breeze. So actually I have taken it near the source of water, and we are now moving it back to the place. So it's even when the tank is full, it can be easily moved. So let's switch on the air cooler. The moment you power it on, you will notice that the panel is powered on, but you need to actually switch it on before the actual blowing and the cooling starts. So let's see. Okay, let's press it. So these are the buttons that are provided, and it has already started functioning. Now let's see each of these buttons. Let me show you why it is called a pop-up panel. So when you switch it on, you will notice that the panel pops up. I hope you are able to notice it. Yeah, so this is convenient when you use the remote, because it has to be in the line of sight, so this helps. Now let's see each of these buttons. The first one is the speed of the fan. Right now it's in high speed, this is medium speed, and this is the low speed. Okay, now it's off. Now it is in the high speed mode. This is a pump mode, which maybe increases the power of the pump. This is the swing of the vertical blades, and the last one is the timer option. So let's say the timer for 7 hours. This is 1 hour that you see. Again, if you press it again, you will see 2 hours. You need to press again to see 3 hours. 2 plus 1 is 3 hours. You press again, you will see this is 4 hours. Press again, you see 4 plus 1 hour, 5 hours. Press again, it's 4 plus 2 is 6 hours, and now this is 7 hours. I hope you are able to see the swing of the vertical blades. Yeah. And they have given a small lever here using which you can move the vertical blades. So let me show you in detail about this top portion. This bottom half that you see, this bottom portion about 4 inches is actually closed. Similarly, on the right side, from the top to bottom, the half of it is actually closed. Only the left side top portion is open, through which the cool air comes out of the cooler. And if you look closely, you can see the vertical blades of the actual fan that is inside. So that fan rotates, and the cool air comes out of the cooler from the left side of this cooler. So this is the only portion from which this top portion is the only portion through which the cool air actually comes out of the cooler, and not the whole black portion. And another thing I missed out is this hole, which is actually an overflow for the tank. And this small blue thing at the bottom is actually for letting out the water. If you want to empty the tank, there's a small plastic washer like thing here, a cover which can be opened out easily, and that's how the water can be removed. So you can take it to any place where you can let out the water and open that small blue thing. I will now demonstrate how to use the remote control. All the features on the panel are available on the remote. You can power on, power off. You can increase the speed of the fan. You can enable the swing, and you can also enable the timer. So that's the sound that you hear from the air cooler. It's like any other air cooler. So this is the fan button, and this is a timer. But the only problem is that the remote functions only up to 1 meter from the panel. So I'm just taking a tissue paper to show you the blowing of the air from the cooler. So from my experience, I think it is quite good for small spaces and very sleek. It is mobile, easily you can be moved around, and the tank capacity is high, and all the features are great, and overall it looks very sleek and beautiful for my requirement. This model is available on Amazon. I'm giving a link to it in the description box. You can check out the price as on today. So I hope you like the features of this model, and if it's suitable to you, do go ahead and you will not be unhappy with your purchase. I hope you like the video and my review. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.